backbiters, hypocritical to silence. We call them modern day Judas, the spreaders of rumors. Hey, hey, so why should I be afraid of you when you bleed just like I do? The more you try fight, judge, a light keeps shining through. So I've got no time for you, cause in my view you wanna step in my shoe. You wish you never live low and feel so damn confused. Oh, every day you wake you hate because you know you're fake, and every step you take will bring you closer to your grave. But I am like a hollow man, no easily shake. Me certain say I feel me none of who can't take. Me guided by the master, defender of the faith. Me know say Jerone Riley born to be great. Me no listen back fighters, hypocritical to silence. We call them modern day Judas, the spreaders of rumors. Hey, them a backbiters, hypocritical to silence. We call them modern day Judas. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, them a backbiters, hypocritical to silence. We call them modern day Judas. Them a backbiters.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Elaine.
Jerone. You know, I think Anthony had said earlier that he wasn't sure if there were any obvious people that just stood out as possible winners. You are definitely standing out to me. You are such a performer. You interpreted that song incredibly and took us on a journey through it, and then took us to a climax where everybody was screaming because of Jerone Riley. And I think that's something you're going to continue to do throughout the competition and throughout your career, because you are special. Good job.
Anthony.
I'm not so thrilled. I found you kind of monotonous and flat, but I would concede that I don't particularly love your voice, but I think you're the best performer in the competition thus far.
Conroy.
P for package, good. A for arrangement, good. C for connection with the audience, very good. And a K for being on key, very good. It was a very good performance and a very good beginning to a great show, actually.
All right, thanks, judges. If you want Jerone to go